I miss a family.
Hey guys, it's Kaden. We're going to Jamaica. Ashley, say hi. So we're going to Jamaica for a week. Sorry about the audio. We're driving to the airport. Say hi, Mommy. But yeah, we're driving to the airport now. And stays here. Yes. But yeah, we're just driving. Ashley picked us up this morning. We're just going to the airport. So yeah. Sorry guys, it's still too fresh.
But now when summer stuff on sale, you should be shopping now. I got some stuff for Kaden and little stuff for myself. I want to wear this time.
Yeah, I was looking online last night.
So we're on our way to the airport. We had an emergency little trip to Jamaica. Mom, stop playing.
No, when we take this out, we know we put two in
This
here.
mine?
Yeah, no. When we take it out and one come out in here, we see
She's
Jesus
like,
God.
I thought she forgot my passport for a second. But RT's taking us to the airport. And then mommy.
Who that?
RT. Mommy. It's the Fam City BFC game. Ash and Nikki are in front of us. Stacy, Lisa, DeAndre, Lisa Ray. They're probably at the airport. They beat us because people had last minute errands to run on the way to the airport. But y'all are messing with us. They're cute. But we'll get back to you guys when we're checking in and stuff. 2 more cars is behind us. Nikki, Kaden, Auntie Pansy, and Shimmy. Big up Mr. Danny. Girl, looking at my camera and show what's up. So what up, Fam City? Just the walk on now? Hi. Exactly. Listen, look up your phone.
Hi, Fam City. Mwah.
She's so excited. And when they get back, we come back Monday, school Wednesday. So they're so excited. Look at the runway line up JetBlue and sing. I want to make this. Y'all see that?
Okay, there we go. Not blurry anymore. Say hi, Shimi.
Let's just open this thing right here instead of the event. Right.
It's not like anybody's using it.
Because we're in the way. We're blocking it. Just push them right there.
Hold on. Ooh! Waiting for the gang. Where y'all at? Gang. Oh, it's cold right here. I see you. Hey, I see. BFC game.
Y'all ready for it?
We back at it again, but this time we're gonna plane. I already ate, but I feel like I gotta pee again. Wait. Oh. Oh, thanks, guys. But Auntie, say what's up? You vlogging?
Y'all vlogging?
Yeah. Say hi, Auntie. Why she just staring in the camera like that? That's weird. She's like what? Say hey. I like my glasses. I got them from Fashion Nova. Okay. Nah, we finna pass the phone because they want to say hi.
What's up, family?
Hey, gang.
Hey, DCF gang in the house.
We out.
Heading to Jamaica.
Right.
Not a happy trip, but we're heading there, and sad times and fun times.
Look at the little brats over there.
I need to take my
Hey then.
What up, gang? What up, gang? Hi, DPS gang.
So, we about to take off. You gonna sleep? I want to try. I'm gonna wake you up. I don't think I am. I can't. I'm gonna wake you up. You know that. I wake you up at home. You think she make you get a nap at home? Nope. Not when I'm there. Not when anybody is there. Her, you. No. Phone be going on. What? As when we touch time. Oh, we gotta play this song. Just touch them in the airport. Wait, just touch them like Nessa. Maurice gonna mess with KFC. Ooh, and we finna have KFC, so y'all meet us at the airport. Let me tell y'all something. If y'all never had Jamaican KFC, try it. Bump American KFC. It's all about KFC. Jamaican KFC. But we'll get back to y'all. Like I was saying, AirPod gang. If you don't have AirPods, then what are you doing with life? Y'all like my nails? Right here. Green. Even though they don't call us a laborite, but you know, I'll walk around like this. Can't walk around with our finger on hands like this. Facts. Don't show them at all. Yeah. Somebody take me on a trip to Bora Bora. I'm coming. Bora Bora. Dubai. It could be a vacation. Yeah. I'll get back to you guys. See you outside when we land.
For those needing special assistance today, such as a wheelchair, please remain seated. The majority of the passengers have deplaning. Wheelchairs won't be available to the end of the deplaning process. This will allow us to better assist you. We invite you to visit our website at spirit.com where you can check in online and check out the budget flight experience, get future flights, car rental, vacation packages, and even cruises. On behalf of this Fort Lauderdale-based crew,
Hey. What up, guys? Hi, Mom. That's Stacy, DeAndre, Lisa,
Hey.
Grandma, Shimmy, Lisa K.
Guys, we're here. I don't know why they keep right in the curve like that, but
I gotta get used to the road, man.
where?
That's our second rental right now. On Tuesday, we're gonna get it. Where is it? This? Right?
like you what? But it's alright. And you showing up, but it's alright. This is your life. Your progression without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on the move. Oh, hit it one time. Oh. We already. What? Oh, okay. Hey. Oh, wait.
Oh my gosh.
Got it. But it's alright. But it's alright. This is your life.
Watch the breakdown.
Music. Look at that. This is so cold.
Daniel, we're passing it down on the pull up. You see the Honda?
Uh-oh.
We passed it. Alright.
So that is them.
What is in that song? I gotta pee. We're not far. But it's dream weekend. So this is the last day.
Guys, we outside. DeAndre and Auntie Maria playing some ball.
Who Apache? Hey!
Oh, God.
Lisa swinging.
DeAndre, you forget to say I'm sick too.
Ma.
Okay, then you can get up to, you know? You're well on the bench?
I was literally just on the scene.
You are so stuck in the bush. JJ, take time.
Oh. Well, man, I did have cost down the road.
JJ?
He lost his slippers, oh my God.
Okay.
Try to
Mommy. Pop it down and watch. Gonna build it back.
I know, it's like a cushion. And Kay just leaning on me,
right
babe.
there by Marie.
Okay, it's time to switch location. We could go up top now.
Yeah.